Humanity is done planting flags. Blueprints are finalized for a permanent, subterranean lunar megacity designed to house thousands of people inside the moon's volcanic underworld. Living on the surface of the moon is a death sentence. It is a hostile vacuum exposed to a relentless bombardment of cosmic radiation, wild temperature swings, and hypervelocity micrometeorites that can shred metal like paper. To survive long-term, we cannot build up. We have to build down. Major space agencies and top architectural firms aren't just brainstorming. They are actively engineering a self-sustaining lunar capital. By exploiting giant, ancient underground lava tubes, we are transforming the moon from a barren pit stop into a thriving, independent economic superpower. If we master this technology, the moon ceases to be a destination. It becomes the launch pad for the entire solar system. The foundation of the lunar megacity relies on an incredible geological gift left behind by ancient lunar volcanoes, lava tubes. Billions of years ago, flowing lava hollowed out massive underground channels. These caverns are structural fortresses. Their thick rock ceilings provide perfect, natural armor against deadly solar radiation and micrometeorite strikes. Best of all, they solve the moon's extreme temperature crisis. While the surface swings violently between boiling days and freezing nights, the deep lava tubes maintain a permanent, stable temperature. This allows us to build vast networks of glass-domed structures without worrying about thermal expansion or structural tearing. Shipping concrete or steel from Earth costs hundreds of thousands of dollars per kilogram. To build a megacity, we must use the ultimate local resource, regolith. Lunar regolith is rich in silicon, iron, and aluminum. By using advanced 3D printing rovers and solar-powered lasers, engineers can sinter this dust into a material stronger than concrete. This automated manufacturing allows us to print entire neighborhoods from the ground up, entirely free from the constraints of Earth's supply chains. The city grows organically out of the moon itself, turning a desolate gray wasteland into high-tech, permanent infrastructure. A city of thousands cannot survive without a massive, active economy. The lifeblood of the lunar capital is hidden at the moon's south pole, water ice. This ice is a cosmic goldmine. It provides drinking water for citizens and vital oxygen for the city's massive internal ecosystems. But more importantly, it is the ultimate rocket fuel. Because the moon has a weak gravitational pull and zero atmospheric drag, launching a ship from the lunar surface requires a fraction of the energy needed on Earth. The Moon City becomes the premier gas station of the solar system, refueling deep space missions destined for Mars, the asteroid belt, and beyond, turning the lunar capital into the economic heart of human space expansion. We are designing a flawless underground metropolis. But settling the moon forces us to confront a silent, microscopic killer that could destroy our machinery and dissolve human lungs from the inside out. Lunar dust toxicity. Because the moon has no atmosphere and no liquid water to erode it, lunar dust is sharp, abrasive, and highly toxic. It is essentially billions of microscopic shards of volcanic glass. It clings to everything via static electricity. No matter how tight our airlocks are, the dust hitches a ride on everything. It destroys mechanical bearings, clouds solar panels, and triggers a severe, chronic condition known as lunar hay fever. If a major seal fails or filtration systems clog, an entire underground district could breathe in an invisible wave of toxic glass, turning our grand architectural triumph into a subterranean graveyard. The greatest threat to the lunar megacity isn't a meteorite impact. It is the very ground we are building it on. The cradle of humanity is getting crowded. It's time to move into the foundations of our next world. If you are ready to explore the absolute limits of future space engineering and planetary colonization, hit that subscribe button and smash a like right now. See you in the deep gray.